grater of my coconut. This is the middle. This is where I grate the coconut. The body is wood. So I will put it like this. I can put it like this. And then I will sit like this. And I will grate my coconut. So first, to grate the coconut is, first I started from this edge, slowly, like that. Make it fun. I always start in the edge of the coconut shell. I grate slowly so that the flakes of the coconut is a little bit fine like this. So keep grating the coconut. Sitting here. And then coconut, and it's done, and this is the shells. So the shells, I will not throw this one. I can use this as a firewood when I am cooking, and also I can use it as a bowl when I am eating. Yes, I love this. I love to use this as a bowl, or as a bowl for my food, like that. I eat soup like this. And then I can also use my coconut. Then I will add a little bit of water, just a little bit. And then I will squeeze it. Shape it. This is now the kakangata. This is the kakangata. It's very creamy. Now the second press. Guys, this is the second press. And this is the first piece. This is the kakangata. It's very creamy. Yes. So I can use this for my dish. Later I will show you. Now that we have coconut milk, and today I will show you how to cook the papaya, ginataang papaya. From the wild. We have papaya. Uy, taya, di ba ang hinog batak, oh. Papaya kami.
Paano yun?
Ito. Nagre-react sa iba. The seeds is a bit ripe, so I can plant the seeds. I will plant the seeds. This is the second press of my coconut milk. I will add it now. And then this is the papaya slice. I'll add it now. I will boil it until it is tender or soft. I will add now the kakangata. And then some herbs. And also cheese. The flavor is creamy and slightly sweet from the coconut milk. and also it's savory.